Hi, my name is Lowe and I'm a third year engineering student in DT01A or TU821. This year I was supposed to travel to Darmstadt in Germany for 6 months to study. However, that was cancelled due to the COVID-19 pandemic. As a result, I ended up taking part in the hands-on SHAFE project. SHAFE stands for Smart, Healthy, Age-Friendly Environments, and EU SHAFE is a project started by Interreg Europe in response to the ageing population around Europe. Hands-on SHAFE is an initiative that aims to produce informal learning tools to support the EU SHAFE project. There is a different set of content being created for each of the aspects of SHAFE, with one lead organisation from the Netherlands and 5 other partner organisations working on the content from around Europe. The team at TU Dublin was producing the content for the smart aspect of SHAFE. This focuses on the use of mobile and home technology, such as mobile phones and IoT devices. The content is aimed at people known as facilitators. These are volunteers, caretakers or relatives who can use the content to assist them with teaching older people to use the technology and become more independent. This project involved multiple areas of engineering, such as project management and planning. This came as part of working in a small team and delegating work across the team to ensure all work was completed on time. Problem solving, documentation and user experience all came into play when creating the content for the project. We were forced to think from the perspective of someone who is not so comfortable with technology and the everyday language used surrounding technology such as tap, press, swipe, etc. Each step in the process of interacting with a software application or hardware device had to be documented in a simple and clear manner. My main role in the project was to create PowerPoint slides as part of a small team of interns on the use of certain technologies, both hardware and software. More specifically on the use of alarms, timers, stopwatches on a mobile phone, and on the utilisation of a Fitbit smartwatch. The process started by meeting with the whole hands-on SHAFE team at TU Dublin and discussing progress on the project so far. Then moving to planning the upcoming content. This was usually done in a shared Google document where everyone would work collaboratively and add their own ideas. As a team of 4, we would plan our work using Jira, assigning a task for each week either in pairs or individually. Once I had a set of content to make, I would sketch my initial plan for the slides layout using software called Storyboard in conjunction with Adobe Photoshop. As you can see in the first image on the left, this was a draft I made for a slide on using the timer in iOS. I would then gather any necessary images and reference them accordingly, then create an initial slide in PowerPoint as can be seen in the second image on the left. This was the main workflow through the whole process on creating all content. On the team, I took on the role of team leader and made sure all content was complete and consolidated before handing it back over to the HOS team at the end of the internship. Overall, it was a great learning experience and I've since developed an interest in human-computer interaction and user experience which I would like to do further research into. After the internship ended, I continued work on the project voluntarily, where I worked on lighting in the home and how lighting and light perception can influence a person. I found this the most interesting aspect of the whole project. I also learned a lot of valuable information regarding copyright and fair use, improved greatly upon my communication skills, and learned the importance of planning and management on a project. I think the biggest thing I will carry with me through all aspects of engineering is to always keep in mind the end user and how they will interact with a system or application. If it is not user-friendly or understandable, it will not be utilised. Thank you for listening to my presentation.